must have been cold.
Hello, my name is Linda Hill. I am an LPN and president of the Nightingale Tribute Nurses Society Honor Guard.
Never have sunlight on your face.
This is an honor guard that was started in August of 2010. What we do is we give tributes to nurses as they pass away, LPNs or RNs.
Always walked a step behind.
At our services, we salute the many years that the nurse has been a nurse, and we also give a white rose to the family members of our deceased, plus we give a Nightingale lamp with a candle to the living relative. Also, we present them with a book of the service that we have done.
Beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I would like to be.
My name's Lisa Beatty. I'm an RN, and I've been an RN for over 20 years. Helping with this Nightingale tribute has been an honor to do. I help hand out the roses and light the candle and give support to Linda. So thank you for having us here today.
Good afternoon. I am Linda Hill. I represent the Nightingale Tribute Nurses Society Honor Guard. I am president. It gives me great pleasure, and I consider it an honor to be here today to give our colleague a tribute so well deserved by her many years as a nurse. May I ask that if there are any nurses present, please stand. The Nightingale Tribute. Nursing is a calling, a way of life. Nursing is a service profession that cannot be lived in isolation. Nurses rely on each other for the synergistic effect of teamwork in our efforts of caregiving. It is appropriate that we honor our colleagues not only during their career, but also at the end of life's journey. So may we as nurses light the candle.
Did I ever tell you you're my hero? You're everything I would like.
To represent our dignity and honor to our beloved colleague. Nursing is a calling, a lifestyle, a way of living. I've written a poem to depict the nurse at the bedside when we're caring for people. Take time, I'm there. When pain and suffering continue, take time, I'm there. When families encounter doubt, take time, I'm there. As doctors and nurses keep care, take time, I'm there. When loved ones seek relief, take time, I'm there. As eyes are closed and breathing starts to cease, take time, I'm there. The trumpet is sounded and the call comes in. Take time, I'm there. The end is a beginning. Take time, I'm there. The journey is ending. Doors are opening. Take time, I'm there. Come in.
My